What's up? It's your girl Courtney and I'm back with another freaking video. Yeah, I'm back with another video, and as y'all can tell by that thumbnail and that title, we'll be preparing for my mini vacation, and we're gonna be doing my hair. So I got this wig that I seen on TikTok, and y'all, I don't just wear human hair wigs. I'm very like flip-flop type girl. Like, I wear synthetic wigs, human hair wigs. Like, I'm very much that girl. So we're gonna be trying this wet lace wig, period. And I'm gonna be wearing this wig because period, why not? And I seen this wig on TikTok and it was giving good. It was giving good. So you think I'm not about to try out this wig? And y'all, wet lace, good, good, period, bomb, good, bomb, good. Y'all, I got this band-aid on my forehead because what happened was I was taking out my wig and my lace was literally lifting up. Like, it was lifting up, so I just pulled it back or whatever. And I took off the wig cap. Mind you, I don't glue on my wig caps. I took off the wig cap and literally it ripped off my like freaking forehead. Not bad, but like, you know, and I ain't like that. I see my nails, my nails, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, we about to get into this wig. Period. All right, y'all, so y'all see that I got this band-aid on my face, and I think I'm gonna just have to put like makeup over the band-aid. I don't know, but we're gonna see. But I'm opening up the packaging right now, and ooh, everything just falling. Period. It's really long eyelash. So I'm about to try it. I'm not wearing no wig cap. I just don't think it's safe right now for me to wear a wig cap. I'm most definitely gonna have to put makeup over it though. Let's see. We most definitely gonna have to hide that headband, that band-aid. Ooh, you can see that band-aid. So let me work my magic on this wig real quick. Let me work my magic. I'm the freaking magic worker. Humbly saying that, humbly. Very much humbly. Okay. This powder is not doing its job, so we about to use some foundation. There we go. And it's giving pink with foundation. Eye palette on the lace or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is, like I'm doing a regular wig. So now it's time for gluing time. And I ain't putting that on a band-aid because, baby, I'm trying to heal it. I'm not trying to pick with no scab. So I'm trying to heal it. I'm going to just put like some got-to-be spray over it a little bit. And then that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to pick over no scab, baby. Let that scab heal. Y'all only got like one layer of glue and then I'm gonna spray it. I don't need that much glue because it is a synthetic wig. So you could literally lay down a synthetic wig with hairspray. But me, your girl, is just so extra or whatever. And I'm just extra. And I'm just that girl. And I feel like I need hair glue. Now we wait. Y'all, look how short it is. This is the length of it. It's like really, like, what length is this? I would say this is like a good 18, 16, if we be for real. It's giving like a long bob, curly bob or whatever. You know? That's what it's giving. If I was to do hair, I would still do synthetic wigs, but I feel like if I was to do hair and I do synthetic wigs, I would have to help you personally pick out your synthetic wigs, because all synthetic wigs ain't good synthetic wigs. Let me say it again, all synthetic wigs ain't good synthetic wigs, okay? And you gotta learn how to properly take care of good synthetic wigs. Like what I do with my human hair wigs, I can't do with my synthetic wigs, you know? And then one time, how I know I be taking care of my synthetic wigs good, because one time I wear like my synthetic wig twice. Period. Who you know could do that? Me. I did that. Period. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm cutting the lace and stuff like that. Alright y'all, so I had cut the lace or whatever, and then I took the band-aid off because like it was blending in, but the part that was left from being out from the lace was not giving. It was like giving me a hard time, and I was just like, forget it. So you could see my scalp on the lace or whatever. Like you could see my scalp. Like you can see that I have an open cut. Like you could literally see that. You could low-key see the lace too in the light. I'm pretty sure y'all can see the lace. The lace really don't match my skin tone. Maybe I would try to fix it. Maybe it would get better throughout the day, but it really don't match my skin tone. I guess that makeup don't match my skin tone. And I don't want to put no baby hair over it because I don't want to mess with that scalp. I feel like I just need to stop. I don't want to mess with that scalp so much. Y'all, all right, so this is the final look, baby. Look. Then you could do a side. You could do a side or whatever. Alright, so let me tell y'all how I feel about this unit. I love this unit. I was trying to make it like more of a scissor look, but I don't know. It wasn't just like, I didn't want to mess it up too much, but I was trying to make it more like a scissor look or whatever. And then I had put this mousse in it, and I don't recommend this mousse for a synthetic wig. Use Lottie Body, like Lottie Body, I think that's what it's called, or whatever. And then my cut right here, as y'all can see, it's making my forehead look extra big, and I'm not trying to infect my cut. So yeah, I'm not trying to infect it too much or whatever, because you know, 2 weeks later I want to still be able to rock my wig. So this is it or whatever. Preparation for a mini vacation. Then yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this install. Y'all will be seeing me with this wig or whatever. Period. I like it, but I hope it lasts the whole little trip or whatever. Cause period. And then I guess I could show y'all me packing or whatever. just wanted more. I just wanted it more like poofy or whatever. But it's okay. It would do. I feel like once I put on like my eyelashes and my lip liner and everything, like we'll be good. You heard me? Like we'll be good. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so this should be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on. Period, because we coming with more bangers. More bangers, baby. More bangers. And if I do add something to this video, which I shouldn't, because what is there to add? You hear me? So... Girl, I am that girl. Stop playing with me. I am that girl. Who? Girl, I am that girl. She just jealous because I'm that girl. I'm that girl. Okay, we're gonna ignore her in the back because she's being a hater. But I got money too, baby. I look like a bag of money, baby. Girl, girl, that's on the game. Girl, that's on the game. That's on the game. Okay, so, yeah. 6.91 million. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Get this video a thumbs up. And be prepared for this mini vacation, because I'm vlogging the whole motherfucking weekend. Hey, you can't leave me. What am I supposed to do without you? I'm gonna cry myself. I'm gonna call you. Cause I'm gonna be cold. Who gonna warm me up? Huh? $1. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Let me end off this video.